Good evening, this is Keith All, and welcome back. Today we'll be learning about creating a mobile responsive site using the Builderall platform. Now currently the way Builderall, the Cheetah Builder works is, especially when it relates to the mobile site, is if you have multiple elements, in this case I have 3 image elements on a single panel. Right now we're looking at the desktop live view, and the way this works currently is if we go to the mobile site, you'll see that in a second, it will take each element and stack them below one another. So in other words, it'll be in a vertical fashion. So let's go to the editor, and let's go to the mobile view and give it a second to load up. So you can see that it takes one element, places it on the panel, then it takes the other element on that panel and just puts it right below there, and it continues to do that in a vertical fashion. But let's say that you wanted these elements horizontally. So now we have an option for the panel element to be able to do that. So let's select the panel. Let's open up the properties box. Let's click edit, and let's scroll down. These are the properties for the panel element. And let's scroll down to this property here. It's called Mobile Columns Advanced. Now you have an enabled option here, and this again, this is relating to each panel. So you could have this option available for each panel that you have. So so if I turn it on, it's going to give me the option of taking these elements that are on this panel, either putting them in a 2-column format or a 3-column format. So let's select 2 for right now, and let's go ahead and let's go to the mobile view. As you can see now, it puts it in a horizontal 2-column format. So in this case, I had 3 elements. So it's going to take the first element, take the second element, and put it in the second column, and then it takes the remainder elements and just puts them right below. Again, these are image elements, so you could adjust the size and spacing. So if we go over here, watch what happens. See, I could still adjust it to the format that I want, and again, this doesn't affect the desktop view. Okay, so now let's see what happens is I have 3 elements and I want to change it to a 3-column. So go to mobile columns. Let's select 3 columns and let's see how that looks. Give it a second to load up. Again, we still see what it does. It takes, since we only have 3 elements on that particular panel, and it takes each element and puts it into its own column. And again, we could still use the properties for each element and adjust the spacing for it. And if it gets too big, over to the right, and then it moves it down to the next row. and it doesn't affect, again, the desktop view. So hopefully this new feature in the Builderall Cheetah Builder gave you some new ideas to design your mobile sites. And now it's becoming more responsive than it has before. So we have to thank the development team to always continuously making upgrades so we could have a better, more efficient website builder. Thanks again for stopping by today. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't done so already, please click on that bell notification, and also please like, share, and comment. I appreciate you taking the time to view this tutorial, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.